Let's have a chat about our stationery supply, shall we? Hello, it's Edwina from My Craft Orchard. How are you? I ran a monthly supply challenge most of last year, and the last couple of months I haven't run it. So I'm going to go into the new year full force, and every month I'm going to be running the supply challenge. So as a recap for those who've been with me a while, hello, welcome back, and all of my new subscribers, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate you subscribing. Just a recap of what the monthly supply challenge is. So it's a look at the supplies you've got in your cupboards, your drawers, your desk, your pencil cases. If you're anything like me, that it just seems to be everywhere, journaling stuff. Have a look in those and pick something that we're going to use each month, and then have some nice creative projects to go with it. It's worked. We've done pens, we've done washi, we've done unusual stickers, the stickers that always get left in your sticker pouch. We did some self-care this time last year, so have a look at those self-care type things in your stash and that sort of thing. Now, one of the trends that I'm watching for 2024 is the low no spend on journaling supplies or planners or anything like that. So I've already been doing this for 12 months, so it's nothing new for me in terms of using the supplies I've got. But what I thought we'd do, or what I'm going to do particularly, is I'm going to grab myself a notebook. At the moment it's just a pocket size. It will be probably go into my bullet journal or the back of my planner, and I'm going to make an inventory of some of the things that I've already got and a shopping list of things that I want. So for instance, I like dated washi tape, and I've had a look in my stash, and I know that I've only got about probably a third of a roll of dated washi tape. So for me, that's something I know I'm going to have to buy next year. I know that this time next year I'm going to be buying planners, so I'm going to need to think about and putting money aside for that. And so my whole idea is to have a look at what supplies I've got, make a list, then make a shopping list of things that I know I'm going to buy with a rough estimate of when I'm going to buy them. So like I say, the washi tape's probably got a couple of months on it, so I don't have to buy it now, or I could put it on my Christmas list, if that makes sense. And so that's the sort of thing I'm doing. And then I'm going to sort of look at the year and say sort of September next year, and is for new planners. So if I really like my Hobonichi, I'm going to have to think about when I'm going to buy that. And then in May I'm going to a planner conference, so obviously I'm going to want spending money for there. You know, lots of nice stickers and all that. So low spend, not no spend. I really don't think I could do a no spend. I just love doing this so much that having a no spend just isn't going to work. But I do need to use what's in my stash. So every month I'm going to do a different challenge for us to start using that stuff up. The other thing I wanted to chat to you about is storage of your things. Now, I use a lot of boxes. These here are boxes that I think I had with Christmas presents in. So this pink one, is full of washi tape. Hopefully I can show you this without it falling on the floor. Yeah, so this one is full of functional washi tape. And I think I got some smelly, so shower gel and that sort of thing in that box. And then this box is I actually had as a set of knitting needles, Knit Pro knitting needles, and in here it's got a lovely a magnetic clasp. I've got pictures and scrapbooking things, and this is like my monthly box. I go through all my scrapbooking stuff, and I put a load of things in here that I want to use. So I've got a pretty box that I can have out or whatever. So have a think, if you're getting presents at Christmas and they come in a really nice box, can you use that box to store some of your washi tape in, or your pens, or your scrapbooking things, that sort of thing, stickers, because rather than send them to the tip or throw them away, it might be nice in your stash, and then you don't have to buy plastic containers for stuff. So there's another cheap way of storing things that you don't have to spend money on. Have a think. Comment down below. Let me know if you think it's a good idea to every now and then have a look at what you've got and use what you've got. And then, because I just seem to have so much, I'm then also later in the year when I go to my planner conference, I will be having a destash session. So as I'm going through now, I might be putting a few things aside ready for that destash, so it's easy to find when it gets to May, you know. So that sort of thing is what I thought we'd do this month. Comment down below, tell me, what do you think? Is this a good idea? Is it something you've been thinking about? Is it something you're going to do? What are your plans for Christmas? It's nearly here. Have you written your Christmas shopping list? So tell me what you think, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.